Hey guys, the bait hammock is not just for wade fishing. You can also use it out on the water and put it inside of your live well. Today I have my shrimp in the bait hammock and the pilchards in the live well. And I don't have to dig in the live well with a net, hurting all my pilchards, trying to find that one last shrimp. He's right there, easy access inside of the bait hammock where I can grab him out and catch fish faster because I can grab my shrimp easier and they're gonna stay alive a lot longer.